Over the years, every piece of furniture, no matter how carefully crafted or how much love and effort went into its making, gradually loses some of its original charm. The wood that once glowed with warmth and elegance begins to dry out. Its color fades into dullness, and the surface slowly starts to look tired, worn, and lifeless. For many, the first thought in such a situation is to replace the old with something new, believing that nothing can bring back the beauty of time-worn wood. Yet the truth is often much simpler and far more natural than we expect. With a little patience, just a few household ingredients and some gentle care, it is entirely possible to restore the shine and warmth that once made your furniture the centerpiece of the room. Today, I'll guide you step by step through a natural method to bring back that glow. I'll also show you two versions, one designed especially for darker wood, and another more suitable for lighter wood, so that every type of furniture can regain its beauty. One of the most interesting and affordable ways to rejuvenate darker wooden furniture is by using black tea. This everyday drink, which most of us associate with relaxation and quiet moments, actually hides natural compounds that can do wonders when applied to wood. Its tannins, richly colored and aromatic, work almost like a delicate toner that softly enhances the richness of the wood shade. Not only do they restore depth and warmth to the surface, but they also help dissolve layers of dust, grime, and grease that have built up over the years. The effect is subtle yet noticeable, giving the wood a refreshed appearance without overwhelming its natural patterns. Black tea is particularly suitable for darker furniture because it deepens the tone and revives its luster, while still being gentle enough to protect fine carvings and delicate details from any damage. The preparation of this natural solution is quick and straightforward, requiring very little time or effort. Take 1 tablespoon of black tea and grind it finely in a grinder so that the leaves release the maximum amount of active compounds. This powder is then steeped in a small amount of hot water, allowing the tannins to infuse and create a concentrated dark liquid. After cooling, strain the mixture through a piece of gauze or a fine sieve to remove any small particles and leave behind only a smooth, rich extract. Just look at this beautiful, natural color. It is truly impressive and shows the power of such a simple ingredient. The next ingredient we'll prepare is lemon, freshly cut and squeezed. Lemon is a remarkable ally in reviving old furniture because its natural acidity works like a powerful yet gentle cleaner. It effectively breaks down grease, stubborn dirt, and other residues that tend to cling to its surfaces over time. In addition to its cleaning power, lemon also acts as a mild natural whitener, making the wood appear brighter, fresher, and more alive. The refreshing citrus aroma does more than just please the senses. It also helps neutralize unpleasant odors that may have settled in the wood after years of use. When combined with other ingredients, lemon juice not only cleans but also enhances the shine of the wood, highlighting the grain and bringing out its natural beauty. Strain the juice carefully to get a smooth liquid, free of pulp or seeds, ready to be mixed. Friends, share in the comments where you're watching from so I can like your comment and send you a heart. Thank you. Now we come to the third and perhaps most important ingredient. But before adding it, we'll combine the first two. Into a bowl, pour 1 tablespoon of black tea extract and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and stir everything thoroughly until the mixture blends into a smooth, nourishing solution. Olive oil has been valued for centuries as a natural conditioner, and when applied to wood, it works wonders. It penetrates deep into the pores of the material, moisturizing the fibers and preventing them from drying out and cracking. This natural fat restores elasticity to the surface, making the furniture look smooth, well cared for, and alive again. Beyond simple nourishment, olive oil adds a warm, glowing shine that highlights the wood's unique texture and rich patterns. With regular use, It even forms a light protective layer that shields the surface from dust, moisture, and minor scratches, helping to extend the life of your favorite furniture. Now it's time to apply this mixture. We'll soak a clean cloth with the solution and gently rub it onto the surface in slow, circular motions. Allow the wood to absorb the ingredients for a little while. Then buff it again with a dry cloth to bring out the best shine. The transformation is striking. Just look at the difference. It's almost as if the furniture has been given a second life. Next, I'll show you a recipe designed for lighter furniture. But before we move on, if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to leave a like. It means a lot. Thank you so much. For lighter wood, the first ingredient is green tea, which we've already ground and infused with water. Unlike black tea, green tea contains milder tannins that clean and refresh the surface without altering its natural tone. It gently removes dirt and gives wood a soft, natural glow while preserving its brightness and light color. Black tea, by contrast, is much stronger and tends to darken shades, which is not desirable for lighter tone pieces. That's why green tea is the ideal choice when we want to maintain a fresh and natural appearance. The second ingredient for lighter wood care is white alcohol vinegar, a natural cleaner known for its effectiveness. Its mild acidity penetrates dirt and grease, dissolving it gently without harming the wood when diluted properly. This makes it especially useful for lighter furniture, as it keeps the surface clean and prevents dark streaks from forming. In addition to its cleaning properties, vinegar also neutralizes odors that can linger in wood for years, leaving the furniture fresh both in look and smell. Finally, we'll add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a light and deeply nourishing ingredient. Unlike heavier oils, coconut oil absorbs quickly, leaving the wood moisturized without greasy residue. Its natural antibacterial properties help keep the furniture fresh and free from unwanted odors. When applied to lighter wood, it enhances the warm tones of the material without significantly altering its shade. The result is a soft, luminous finish that looks clean and well cared for. Mix all the ingredients together and apply them using the same method as with darker furniture. In addition to olive and coconut oil, you can also use linseed oil for similar results. Friends, don't forget to share this video with your loved ones so we can help them too. Thank you and cheers.